Show you some of the damage. It's red polyurethane Norton track. It's used to spray on track and field, high schools. She's hit. Got a little bit of tree sap on there. I'm going to take that off too. There's a piece. No more tree sap. Alright, that hood's finished. Look at that. Now this ain't the greatest paint job in the world. It's really beat up pretty good, but still polished it. Here's a section I just cleaned. And when you consider this thing was slammed every inch of it, just covered. That's your finished product right there. Not a scratch, not a line in it. It's good to go. Paint Overspray Removal of Texas International Services. Travel anywhere, clean anything. Hello, Jeff here for Paint Overspray Removal of Texas. I got a Vandalism vehicle here. She's hit very well. We're going to remove all the overspray off, try to not mess up that pinstripe. Show you something right here, folks. This is the dealership, and this is the estimate right here. And what we want to try to do is beat that number down right there. You see that number? That's the one we want to save. Good. Woo. Where'd this happen? At work?
At his house.
Ooh. We want to do it and save that, of course. Those are tape or painted?
Those are painted.
Ooh. Yeah, we want to conserve this. Wow, they got him good. That's a shame right there. But it should be alright. It's like a silver paint.
Silver and yellow marker.
Wow. Woo. She is hit.
I just said this is repaint, get some more spray cans.
Get it one color, huh?
What to put on here to make that come off?
Oh man, I tell you what. And that doesn't look like your standard spray spray paint. That looks like some stuff that
We tried wiping on it, and we wiped on it for hours.
whew, yeah, right there. I've got this stuff that I mixed up. It's a 3M product that I mixed up with a few other things. No solvents involved in this procedure. Watch this. Mind you, it's not just going to jump off. It's going to take some doing. Now I'm going to get half of this door. All right, we got that fender done. Look at that fender. We got half the door done. Look at that half of that door. All the way up to here's where we stopped. Look at that paint. Now, I'm going to try to get that without messing up that pinstripe. You see how that pinstripe is? It's going to be a job right there. It's going to take what we call finesse. Next. And what I'm doing is I'm using my special formula. Now, I didn't invent this product that I'm using, but I use products, not solvents, not alcohol, denatured alcohol or anything like that, but I used existing 3M products and mixed them together, came up with this. So they have MSD sheets on them. They're good to go. They've been tested for safety. Okay, there's where I've cleaned, of course, looking all beautiful. And look at the shit here. I mean, the stuff here. Look at that. Again, the pinstripe is hammered. All the paint's been removed, as you can see. Look how pretty that is. Now check this out. Pinstriping intact. Every piece intact. All that intact. Let's come up to the top here. Especially thick. She's hit. That's next. But check it out. This side's looking like a truck again. Taking my Juju juice here. It's a 3M, about 4 3M products combined into one. Now check it out. Basically, all I'm doing is nothing scientific about this. Just sitting here, rubbing on it. I put some on oil-based product that they have that they use for trim moldings and stuff for your on your vehicle. What I've done is I've combined it with this. So what this is doing, instead of burning it off or cooking it off or whatever, this right here is just polishing it off. Now it ain't coming right off, but you know, that's why they call it work. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do to the entire side right here. All over that pinstriping, not hurting it. Check that out. That's pretty right there. As I said, I left it on the gas cap to give you a reference of what you're dealing with. Check out this fender, this back tailgate. Now check it out. That's where she starts looking bad. This side is done. Look at that finish. It's perfect. Not just the overspray removed, but I cut and buffed it slick. I did this fella a solid. Look at that. Bye.